What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Octavian from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna draw across a curved line for the top of his head, and on the left side I'm gonna extend the line with a curved line at the side and a circle turn at the lower point right there. I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side. Now at the lowest point of his head, I'm gonna draw a curved line. Now at this corner right here, I'm gonna draw a circular shape for his mouth. And I'm gonna draw another smaller circular shape inside of that. Now from the top point right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line sideways. And I'm gonna do the same thing in the lower point right here. Now for his eye, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line diagonally to the center, and I'm gonna extend it across with a curved line. And I'm gonna go back up on the right side right there. I'm gonna thicken that line up and leave the sides sharp. And in the middle above the eyebrow, I'm gonna draw a line at this point up, and I'm gonna thicken the lower point, and we're gonna do the same thing on this side with another line. Below the eyebrow at the sides, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there. And then I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point towards the eyebrow like that. And then at the outer corner, we're gonna draw another curved line at that point. Inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw a circular shape for his pupil. And we're gonna fill that in with black color. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. Now below the eye, I'm gonna add a circular shape right there. And the same goes to the right side. Now below the head, I'm gonna draw from the side a curved line out, and then I'm gonna make a turn down and back in, and a curved line up to the shoulder at the corner. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. And in the center right here, I'm gonna draw a circular line across and another one at this point. Below the arms right here, I'm gonna draw a line down, and we're gonna flare it out at the bottom point with a line out and a curved line across at that point. Now for his legs, I'm gonna draw from the middle point right here a curved line down and turn it to the side, and then I'm gonna make a semi-scut turn to the right and back up. I'm gonna do the same thing for this leg on the side and the other way around for the ones on the right. Now for his hand, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from the sleeve and turn it up and to the right, and then I'm gonna make a semicircular turn at the tip of his hand, and we're gonna copy the same shape at the lower point right here. And for the left hand, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from the sleeve, a semicircular turn diagonally towards the shirt, and a semicircular turn at the tip back to the sleeve with a semicircular turn. That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!